Good morning, all. So, let's discuss today how Google Slide can help you in your day to day business. Google Slide can be very much helpful if you are preparing the presentations for your internal meeting, preparing the presentations for a product, or with all these details like product screenshots, product descriptions. So that can be one kind of browser. Suppose you would like to prepare the browsers using the slides, you can make it, or even you can use the Google Slides to prepare the presentations of your future plans of ongoing projects. And these Google Slides are online available in cloud, so you can easily share with your colleagues, share with your friends for review purpose, for discussion purpose. They can add the comments, so that simultaneously multiple persons can access these Google Slides, and you can achieve your maximum work or achieve your maximum target in less hours with a totally free of cost. So now let's explore Google Slide functionality. So I'm going to Google Drive. I'm creating new and slides. I've started with new presentation, that is the one new slides. So what is the concept that we have discussed in yesterday? Yesterday we have gone through the particular sheet. Previously we have discussed about the Google Docs. Google Docs is specifically for preparing the Word kind of document. That can be your document. Excel, that is your Google Sheets are there, so you can use the sheet for the calculations purpose, and for presentation related purpose you can use the slide. So here is the number of slide available: slide 1, slide 2, slide 3. In case of the Microsoft Word or in case of the Google Docs, what is available, we are having number of pages. In case of the sheet or Microsoft Excel, we are having a columns and row. In case of the slide, we are having a slide 1, slide 2, slide 3. So you can add n number of different slide. You can right click on it, you can use new slide, right click, new slide. You can add n number of slides. Slides are basically having a layout. So apply layout, go to the apply layout, you can choose the other layouts. For example, suppose you would like to add something like that title and some descriptions, you can choose that layout. You can change the layout to something like that. You are having one particular title and two blocks of the discussions. You can use this layout. Suppose you would like to display just title and some images would like to add over here, then you can use this particular title options. You can use this one, you can use these ones, or you can choose any related layouts as per your requirement. These all are the themes readily available with you. You can utilize any of the themes by just clicking on that, so that it can make the presentation attractive. So no need to work on that particular part. Everything is ready for you. Just you need to select that particular slide. For example, I am selecting this particular title slide. Automatically that color combination is available with me. I'm selecting second options. For example, this is the section header, so automatically that themes is available with me. So no need to go with that particular changes. Everything is ready with us. So now let's explore the functionality. Let us give the slide presentation name. For example, presentation 1, or we can say product detail, XYZ product detail. You can write it down something like that. Let us explore one by one menu. File, share option. Share option is again the similar as a doc and sheet. You can share with your friends and they can access this particular slide simultaneously along with you. They can add the comment, they can change the slide content, they can change images, everything they can do it. So this is sharing options. This is the creation of the new document, opening document, import slides. Suppose you would like to import slides from some other one, so you can use these things. This is the copy, it will copy paste that particular slide presentation into the second one. You can download it as a PowerPoint presentation or ODP document or PDF document. This is the generally three frequently used format. Sometimes you like to convert these things into the image format. It is useful whenever you are using projector. Suppose in projector you are not having the computer, so you can convert as a PNG image. You can put all these PNG image into one particular folder, into the one pen drive. That pen drive you can plug into the particular projector, and through projector sliding, you can directly go to the next slide, projector remote, that you can utilize it. So this JPEG and PNG format is useful at that time. You can use email as attachment options, you can use the version history. So all these are the options. This is a basic common option. Cut, copy, paste is there, paste without formatting, and undo, redo is option there. Here you can use the duplicate option, select, find and replace is there. Here the view is there. In case of the Microsoft Word or a Docs, there is a general presentation view will be there, that you would like to view as a web view or view as a print view. Here in case of these things, present option is there. Present option is nothing but it will start the presentation, so everything else will be removed and only the screen will be there. Whatever the text contents are there, that will be there. You can use the left arrow and right arrow to go to the previous slide, next slides. Suppose you like to exit from this particular presentation view, then press the escape button. So this is the useful present. This is the motion effect. You can add the motion effect from whenever you are changing from slide 1 to slide 2, you can use this motion effect. You can choose the available choose the effects from the all is available list, so that your presentation can look better way. You can use this grid view options, so display that things into the grid also. You can use the zoom functionality, you can use show rulers options, and so on. This is the best insert options. You can insert the images. Similarly, image options are having the same menu as the doc options are there. You can search from the internet, you can use some things from the drive, from the photo by using URL, or you can pick some things from the camera also. You can add the text box, you can add the content, you can add the audio, video, you can create the shapes. N number of shapes are available with the particular slides. You can draw these shapes. You can add the table, n number of columns and rows are available. You can edit, you can add the chart like a bar chart, column chart, line chart, pie chart. You can edit from the slides also. Suppose you are having some data on a slides, you would like to use the data of the slides and you would like to present the chart over here, again you can use it. You can add the diagram also, you can use the word chart, you can use the lines. Similarly, all these formatting options are there, text related, alignment related, line spacing related. That format option will be available whenever you are selecting some text. For example, this text is selected, then format option will be activated. So you can use these format options for formatting your slides. This is the slide menu. You can add new slides. We have already discussed that things using the right click options. You can use this add new slide option, duplicate slide options. The same thing is available over here. New slide, duplicate slide, delete slide, skip slides. You can change the background. You can apply some layout. You can give the transition effects. This is the arrangement of that particular elements. This is the tools. You can check the spelling. You can have that particular so go to the dictionary. You can set some preferences and so on. And this is the basically help. So hope this Google slide tutorial can help you to start with your presentations. You can prepare the presentations of your product, your meeting, something whenever you are training, you can use these presentations. If you have any questions, you can ask into the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.